Okay, my name is Paulus Hermawan, NPM 2215200015.
Here I will explain the important parts of a computer, namely the CPU, memory, peripherals. The first is the CPU, which can be divided into 5 important parts, namely 1. Processor. Processor is the main component or brain of your computer or laptop. The processor is located right in the middle of the motherboard. 2. HALU. The HALU or arithmetic logic unit functions to perform arithmetic and logic operation. 3. Hard drive. A hard drive is a hardware component that stores all digital content, document, photos, music, video, program, application, preference, and operating system represent digital content stored on the hard drive. 4. The system clock. The system clock is a device used in computers which regulates the internal components of the computer by using a high frequency signal. The signal ensures that all components are synchronous. 5. The registers is a temporary shelter for the data to be processed by the processor and is formed by 60 electronic points on the microprocessor chip itself. The second memory can be divided into 8 important parts, namely 1. ROM, which stands for read-only memory, is hardware that is used as a permanent data storage medium on a computer. 2. RAM. RAM or random access memory is hardware in a computer that functions as a temporary data storage area. 3. GHz. A gigahertz is 1 billion hertz, which is a measure of frequency. It means that something is happening a billion times a second or every nanosecond. 2 gigahertz means something is happening 2 billion times a second or every half a nanosecond. 4. Megabyte are used to measure large file size. 5. DIMMs, a series of random access memory or RAM chips mounted on a small circuit board. 6. Expandable memory. Memory is a device or system used to store in a computer or related digital electronic device, and memory can be expandable. 7. Byte. Byte is the smallest size in digital information storage. 8. Computer brain. Computer brain is a type of user interface whereby the user voluntarily generates discrete brain patterns that are interpreted by the computer as command to control an application or device. The best results are deciphered by implanting electrodes into the brain to pick up signals. The third is peripherals, which can be divided into 5 interfering parts, namely 1. Keyboard. Keyboard is a hardware on a computer that functions as a tool to input data in the form of letters, numbers, and symbols. 2. Mouse. The mouse is the computer hardware that itself input the form of movement, button press or clicks, and scroll that can be used to select text, icons, file, and folders. 3. Printer. Printer can display data in printed form either in the form of text or image or graphics on paper. 4. DVD. DVD can be used to store data, include movies with better video and audio quality than VCD quality. 5. Webcam. A webcam is a hardware device or device in the form of a digital camera and is usually installed on a computer or laptop.